This is a room tour of room 4255. This is an interior obstructed view. Here's the closet, number 1. Excuse the mess, we got it moved in a couple days ago. Here's the life vest. Here's your emergency information. Moving on over, we have another closet. I used my foldable hangers. This is my laundry bag I use, and my shoes. And then there's one more closet. This one has the safe, a shelf for taller people, another shelf, and another shelf. These don't seem to move at all. Then you have your 4 drawers. This one has the hair dryer in it. And 3 other shelves, drawers I mean. Third one. And the last one. We have an ottoman and a teeny tiny little trash can. This door is a little bit broken. And this has our little refrigerator cooler thing. Here's the bathroom. It's super tiny. Super tiny. You have your 3 little shelves. 3 more. Turn around. Here's your toilet. Go right into your shower. And there's a clothesline. It's a little bit of an odd configuration. We have this chair that's kind of stuck there. And a little couch area. The lights kind of block everything. You really can't put much of anything on there because the light is right in the middle. And we have the bed. Ours are put together. In here, there's a little area. And the last little area, I put my snacks. The TV isn't that big. Maybe a 42. Cool little lamp. I'll put my magnets on the wall. The magnet stick. Here's the space between the bed and the window. With this room, you have to be careful because people are standing out here like all the time. A little bit hard to see at night.